In this video, we'll demonstrate how to calculate the total amount spent by customers using the DSUM function. For example, imagine you're managing a customer orders dataset and want to calculate the total amount spent by customers who placed orders for more than 3 items. With the DSUM function, this becomes simple. Set up a criteria range with greater than 3 under the items ordered column, then apply the formula. Type equals DSUM, open bracket, dataset range, comma, amount spent column number, comma, F1 to F2, close bracket. This filters the dataset to include only qualifying orders and calculates the total amount spent. In this case, the total amount spent by customers Mary, Linda, Sarah, Emma, and Alice is $9,700. This method is a fast and effective way to calculate totals based on specific criteria in Excel.